Today was the first day that I woke up in my new house by myself. What's up, everyone? Long time no see. You're probably all wondering what we've been up to in the last little while, so I wanted to take some time to show you what I've been doing. As a lot of you may know, Veronica and I lost our parents a couple of years ago, and that forced us to take a little bit of a hiatus to deal with all of their affairs, which was really good for me in a lot of ways. And then after all that was done, I needed to take some time to myself, which was amazing because in that time I decided it was finally time to make my Niven dreams come true. We started this company initially so that we can live a lifestyle that we dreamed of, and I always dreamed of living abroad. And finally, after 10 years, I bit the bullet and did it. I want to show you my new house. I live in Nicaragua now. It is so beautiful. But first, before I show you my house, I want to tell you that building your dream clientele is easier than you think. We've laid out a very simple step-by-step plan from how to create your goals to how to achieve your goals. If you want to learn how to do this, head on over to niven.com and snag yourself a spot in our 10K and Play e-course. So this is my room. That's my balcony, which I'll show you in a minute. Look at all that mess. My storage isn't done yet. That's gonna be the closet over there where Carter currently is sleeping. Bringing him to Nicaragua was an experience and a half, but he's here. My shelving isn't done yet, but this is my bathroom. And oh my God, when I first got here, I did not have any of my Niven hair care, and my hair was so angry. Switching climates full time is really challenging on your hair. But now it's starting to acclimate and it's starting to be a little bit flatter and less frizzy. But look at how cute this little town is. I live up the street from a school. It's like a little water shop. The ocean is all the way over there. Eventually I'll have a little hammock here. And let's show you the rest of this place. This is getting painted blue. So this looked like a total Nika house before. Someone's on the roof. Check out my pool. It was just put in, but we're having challenges with it, as most things in life. There's always a little bit of a challenge. The person that built it didn't do it well, so now it's leaking. So I'm gonna get that fixed. The kitchen is being redone. This is bedroom number 2. The closets are half done, so I get to hang up some of my clothes. That's gonna be a work remote desk and some storage. The shower. And then there's a couple of rooms downstairs too. And I'm gonna have a recording studio after. Outside shower, my pool pump, and the laundry room. Over there is gonna be like my little meditation room / office / recording room. And then there's 2 rooms here. That one's kind of storage for construction stuff. And then this room. And then the bathroom. Then lastly, the kitchen. I just painted that counter blue, which I really like, actually. Look at my hair, it's crazy. It really is still just adjusting to the humidity. It's so hot here, there is no point in ever doing your hair, unless it's like nighttime or something. But I wanted to show you this cool room. This will one day be my hair studio or something. Still just under construction. When I first moved here, I had to stay with a friend for a little while because my place was still majorly under construction. Then I had friends staying with me for a while. So I think for the last few months, it's felt more so like I've been on vacation than living here, which is good, I think, because in life, it's all about balance and we need to have a break sometimes. And the last 2 years were super crazy and I needed a break. But now I'm craving the opposite. I'm craving structure, I'm craving routine, I'm craving a schedule, because at the end of the day, to become a really successful hairstylist or a business owner or being a successful chair renter, it's about being organized. Because if your life is chaotic, your business will be chaotic as well, and your clients will really feel that. One thing that really helps me with time management is batching the things that I need to do. So today is an errand day, because otherwise it's hard for me to get into flow when I am taking breaks randomly to go do something else. So today is for all my running around. I actually need to go get my business license for Nicaragua. Ooh, I need sunglasses, one sec. Okay, now I'm ready to rock and roll. I meant to go out this morning when it was a little bit cooler. It started raining, which is really nice because it's crazy hot. I moved somewhere that was minus 40 to somewhere that was plus 40. I don't mean to complain, but the extremes are a bit much to manage sometimes. Check it out. My books finally came. WestJet lost my luggage. It's way too hot. I actually am gonna need a hat as well. That's the other thing. Just walking around outside for 5-10 minutes would make blonde hair go so yellow. And they don't really have good hair products here, so I gotta be very mindful about keeping covered up from this sun. I'm not normally someone that wears a lot of sunscreen either, but here you have to. I've been getting sunspots on my face. Look at my hair, like, it's crazy. Okay, my hat. Now I'm ready. There's the outside of my beautiful house. It used to be blue and look really different. But look at this street. It's the cutest little beach town. I like it here a lot because there's enough people that speak English, but for the most part, people speak Spanish, which I would love to learn Spanish. I am learning Spanish. I have basic conversation down now. Really basic. I could just ask for things I need and understand if someone's saying something to me. But I would love to be fluent. I said until summer, which is in a few months, but I don't think that's gonna happen. That's like gonna be like 2 more months. But look at how cute. I'm not gonna film the whole way to the Alcadea, but because it's like 45 minutes away, just to show you this little town. Super safe, really colorful, hot, people are napping. We're moving into a rainy season, which I'm really excited about. This will cool off a little bit. This is what my town normally looks like. It's quite quiet, actually. I'm on the back streets of downtown. In the center, it'll look a little bit more vibin'. I'll take you down there later. I guess you're gonna get to see the city now a little bit. My phone is at a minute, so I have to go and recharge it. Meaning put money on it. But look, right here's the church. Little spot to get fresh fruits and veggies, because all these stores, people have homes at the back and their little retail front in the front. They actually look small on the outside, but they're huge. They're super deep, and some of them have like 10 rooms. That's why my house. Hey, what's happening? Long time no see. How are you?
Muy bien.
I just ended up in my video.
I know.
Look at this cute little town. Restaurants. The town is so dead now compared to before when Semana Santa was happening, which is Holy Week. Lots of people partying and celebrating holy things. a little hardware store, mini markets, the bank. Hola! Little markets, Canadian tattoo shop. What's really crazy is that this place, I want to say, is like 85% Canadians. I've traveled a lot and I've never been to Nicaragua before, nor have I thought about coming here. And it's crazy to me how many people are here from Canada. It blows my mind. I'm like, how did you guys know about this spot but not me? It's insanely hot. I'm already sweating. I've only been outside for 2 minutes. Here we are at the supermarket. I think I have to walk like 30 or 40 minutes. My daily exercise. That's what happens when you don't have a car. That's not true. Even when I had a car back home, I walked everywhere anyways. Just sweating the pounds off. Alright, we're here. FML. It's so humid. Both my phones, this one and my other one, have water detected in the charging port, and it's never gotten wet. This happens a handful of times now. I think we're here. Hola! I was told not to do it myself, and that I should get an accountant to do it, because I'm going to get myself into trouble. Just like in North America. This is the checklist of the things that you need to get a business license. I need to get the power bill switched over to my name, and in order to do that, I have to give them 5 things, like a letter of request. I need an inspection from a firefighter, all kinds of craziness. But that's normal here. So now I'm just waiting for the inspector to show up. Look at this little cutie. Look at this. Now I'm at the fire station. Time to go back home. That was unsuccessful mission. I just left my phone number for them to WhatsApp me later. But look, now this is the police station if you're ever in trouble. Whether you're in trouble or got in trouble. Number one rule of Nicaragua is never end up in Nicaraguan jail. Apparently here, if you get in jail, there's no first phone call. They don't give you water or food. Someone just needs to figure out that you're in jail and bring you what you need. But really, there's no reason you should end up in jail if you're not doing stupid things. I don't know the first thing about opening up a business in Nicaragua, nor did I really even look into it. But this is how I felt when I opened up my business in Canada too. You don't need to know all the answers, you just got to move in the right direction. And actually sometimes not even in the right direction. You just got to move and do something, and eventually you'll end up in the right direction if you're going in the wrong direction. So this is how a typical day goes. It doesn't always go according to plan. I set out to do 2 things for my little home business today, and neither of those things got completed. But the important thing is I got the wheels in motion and things are moving forward. I think sometimes in life we don't do things because we're paralyzed by the unknown. And that is the worst reason to be not doing something, right? The worst thing that can ever happen for your business is not that something goes wrong, it's that you stay stagnant and do nothing. At least now I have some direction and I can tackle it, and I can tackle it another day. If you did one thing towards your dreams every single day, eventually they have to come true. Home time. Check out this cute little street market. This guy has like sugar snacks in a little cart. The day's getting cooler because the sun is starting to set. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go home and shoot some more videos for you because my schedule is all about batching. So video shooting day is video shooting day. I'm gonna go get a couple other things done for you. Maybe watch sunset later, maybe not. I think it's a home time, a home day for me today. There's been an excessive amount of gallivanting and I'm okay with staying in and doing some work. Hope you have a beautiful weekend, or week maybe by the time you see this video. Look at this cute little sign. Doesn't the turtle just make you so happy?